Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Are you a fan of K-dramas, Asian movies, or live shows from around the world? Well, today I'm going to show you how to install the Viki app on your Amazon FireStick. In just a few simple steps, you'll have all your favorite content right on your TV. So, let's get started. Section 1. Introduction to Viki. For those of you who don't know, Viki is an amazing streaming platform with tons of content from Korea, Japan, China, and beyond. It's the ultimate destination for fans of Asian entertainment. And the best part? Subtitles are available in multiple languages. Section 2. Step-by-step installation. Alright, now let's dive into how to install the app. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Turn on your FireStick and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the home screen, navigate to the top menu and select the search option or magnifying glass icon. Step 2. In the search bar, type Viki and wait for the suggestions to appear. When you see Viki, Asian drama, movies, and TV, click on it. Step 3. On the app page, click the download or get button to start installing the app. This should only take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Once the app is installed, click open to launch it. Section 3. Setting up your Viki account. Now that the app is installed, it's time to set up your account. Step 1. Open the app, and you'll be prompted to log in or create an account. If you already have a Viki account, simply enter your credentials. Step 2. If you don't have an account, you can create one by visiting the Viki website on your phone or computer. Once registered, come back to the app and log in. Step 3. If you have a Viki Pass subscription, you can link it here to unlock premium features like ad-free viewing and exclusive content. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully installed Viki on your FireStick and are ready to dive into the world of Asian entertainment.